Welcome back to another food review. Now before we start, the Stockport food teaser, there is going to be some really exciting plans coming over the next 3 months on Mark's platform. So if you're an establishment that does food, then make sure you get yourself mentioned on the next food teaser page. Tonight I'm going to be sampling some Nepalese cuisine from Guras. This place used to be the Kathmandu, and since it opened it's been having some really good reviews. They have an exciting food menu here as well, with lots of Nepalese dishes, and tonight I'm going to try some of the Guras specials. So will you be my guest and join me on this review? I'm so looking forward to this. Come on, I can't wait. Can't wait any longer. All for Guras. On the A6, heavily. Right, let's give these a go. Dumplings. Look at them. Absolutely stunning, them. I think the pork, I've just told him, bring me out a different variety of a few things, and he brought me all this. Them. I'm gonna eat a bag full of them. What are you? Now this is a special rice, like the fried rice. You get a massive pot of it. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my plate. Oh, it's chicken. There's chicken inside here as well. Flipping heck. Get this, guys. Look at that. Bits of chicken in it. That's nice on its own, that. I know what this one is. He told me this one is a karahi chicken curry. So I'm going to add a bit of this to that rice because it looks sensational. Look at the onion in that. Massive onion. So add a bit of that rice as well. A bit big, that bit. I get that onion in. That is sensational. Absolutely lovely. And I asked for this, and I'm red. So I'll just dip in mine in the curry sauce. So you've got load on there. That is exceptional. Curry so spicy. Lovely. Oh, man. I'm gonna have to bring Barbara in here. Just while we're testing different things, guys. I'm gonna move on to this now. I don't know what this is. But he's brought it out for me to try, which is... Let's have a look. That's got a bit of a sweet taste to it. Chopped up onions. These look like little crunchy noodles, and I think they're chickpeas. I don't know what's in that. But it's like a sweet sauce, but not dead sweet. You can just getting the flavour through sweetness. It's not a pudding, I know, but I'll have to ask him what that was. And the last one, again, it's another Bombay potatoes. They're nice and spicy. Wow. They have got a kick to them. And that's everything. I've just tried. There's so much left here, guys. And the spice that's coming through. What I didn't try is just the boiled rice. I know it's just boiled rice, but that's fluffy. And it's not stuck together, it's really loose, look. Look at that. So, amazing food. Amazing. And I never even knew this place was here. The amount of times I must have driven past it is unreal. And I love me Indian. That's the best in Stockport, without a doubt, 100%. That's really close to a 10, that really is. I'm gonna go it's close to a 10, 9.8. And I know I've been a bit high on some of my scores lately, like the last place I did, the chunky chicken. Well overrated that. That should have been more of a 5. But this, definitely. You guys been here before?
Yeah, several times. We come regularly.
First time I've seen it. It's amazing, isn't it?
It's really good, yeah.
Very delicious.
Yeah.
Especially, I very much like the Nepalese starters, the chicken sakura and
Chicken sakura is very good, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
momo dumplings.
Yeah, I've got some of them there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, very good.
He just brought me different bits to come out and taste like for him, you know what I mean? But wow.
Yeah, it's good.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Thank you.
good. Very good, yeah.
These people have been before and they rated it very, very highly. And I do. I've been tasted. What's here? It is absolutely amazing. Get down here, Guras. And that's my review. So I'm going to finish these chicken wings. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do. Help me get this content out to the public. I never knew about this place, and it needs seriously looking into, guys. It is stunning, absolutely stunning. The decor, the cleanliness, it's amazing. Guras, Guras, Guras. Try it out, people. Apparently, it's the old Kathmandu. I can't believe he's alone. That's me, done and finished. Thanks very much, people. And I'll see you on our next adventure of... don't know where I'm going next, to be honest. But I've got so much in a massive list to go through. So, come back soon. See you. Whereabouts in Germany?
Stuttgart.
Oh, right.
Southwest Germany. So, but every time that we're both here, we always come here. It's not even 10 minutes walk for us.
No, I only live on Edgeley.
Yeah. And we're even closer.
Oh yeah. 10 minutes walk away.
Yeah.
But it'll be on there anyway, guys.
Oh, okay, thank
Put it
you.
on there. Okay. Oh, I've come out now and it's dark. Absolutely amazing, guys. Amazing. You've definitely got to try it. 100%. Get yourselves down there. Beautiful food.